Jobs to do in your garden when it's raining, especially during the autumnal months and winter. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. We're going to be sharing with you jobs that you can do even still at the allotment when it's raining or when it's stormy weather and possibly snow as well. Well, this month it'll start raining lots more. Thankfully, we've not had much rain during the summer months, so we need that rain to fill back up the reservoirs. But if you're lucky like me and you've got a polytunnel or a shed, there's still plenty of jobs that you can be doing this month. The main one is cleaning out all your old seed trays and your pots, and that means getting some washing up liquid and getting your rubber gloves on and giving them a good wash, because germs and diseases can stay around in them seed trays and in your tomato pots if you grow them in pots, and they can come back next year. So it's good to give them a good wash and a disinfect and get them all clean and ready for next year's growing, and then you can tick it off. It's done, it's out of the way. You may not like washing up like me, but you can get it all done and sorted for next year. Another good job to do is do any repairs to your greenhouse in your polytunnel and give it a good wash down as well. Like I said, diseases can harbour around us, especially on like polytunnel skins and greenhouses. Give them a good wash down and get rid of any pests what are hiding in there. But yeah, that's one good job to do, and I'll be doing it in my polytunnel. I'll be going around wherever there's any creases and rips starting to appear and putting tape over them to protect it and hopefully make it last another year, because once the wind builds up in the winter period it can soon rip it. So make sure you check for any tears in the polytunnels. Also, you can be sowing all your biennial seeds in October, and that means they'll not flower this year, but they'll flower next year. So flowers like lupins, hollyhocks, delphiniums, wallflowers, all good seeds to start growing ready for next year. Another good job is to just give everything a good tidy out and sort out. Go through all your seed packets. Yes, you may have loads of seed packets like me and you just shove them all in a bag. Have a look which ones may be needing to get used up next year. I do use out of date seeds, they will last, and go through them all, see what you're going to be growing, sort them out into months. So when you're going to be sowing them, like sowing something March, February, or getting your seeds ready for ordering for January, like your tomatoes and your peppers and your chilies. Get looking through your seeds and seeing what you're going to be growing for next year, and get excited, ready about growing it, because it'll soon be here, it'll soon pass. Christmas soon comes around, and so will springtime. So that is one job that you can do as well. So yeah, there's plenty of jobs that you can do in your garden when it is raining. And another good plan to do is draw a plan. Draw your allotment, draw your beds, decide where you're going to be growing stuff. Obviously don't grow it where you've grown it before, because you need to change things around each year, because it might have used the nutrients up in the soil, that vegetable. So keep moving things around and draw a plan of what you want to do next year down at the allotment. So I hope you've enjoyed them tips. Make sure you drop us a follow, leave a comment, leave a like, and stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.